It's not 100 yet, is it? No. Holy shit.
And it's raining.
Holy shit. Yeah. But yeah, it's like...
it's raining too.
Yeah.
Look now though.
Yeah. But yeah, it's like...
Whoa. 100 now though.
Yeah. Like, fuck.
Whoa.
Fucking get out of it, you dickhead. What are you fucking doing though? It's like, fuck. Fucking get out of it, you dickhead.
Manual recording on.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know what it was doing.
No, I know.
Whoa.
Oh my.
Manual recording on.
Wow. That was pretty fast.
It's a rust bucket. It's a shit box. This.
Let me go away from the Mississippi. Let me go away from the white man's home. There's a bubble in my belly and I hope it's really smelly. I can feel it start to creep. So I lean to my right, 'cause my cheeks were kinda tight. As I push a little bit, I think like lead. I thought I farted, but I shit. Thought I farted, but I shit. And now it's squishy when I sit. I got poop all in my crack and a little on my sack. I thought I farted, but I shit. Damn, I hate it when I shart.
What the fuck are you doing? Where'd you come from?
Yesterday when they were trying to book into the way vaccination hub, they could only book in for their second vaccination even though they hadn't booked in for their first. So it seems that it's mainly affected the Pfizer vaccine. Maybe it's just all been to catch up because everybody has rushed, now open up to 60.
Really show them, sir.
What the fuck?
Her opening her mouth and shutting it, at which point my little brother, who was 10,
That's pretty fucking classic.
and said, Dora. And of course that was it. The child that swears for massacre. I mean, it couldn't have been worse. So Dora said, that's it. Get out. Get out. So we packed our bags and literally we walked and, get out and go back. And this was the only thing I think that saved my mother. She said, go back to your servants, your Mercedes and your links. And I think that saved my mother because there was this
fuck are you doing?
About culture, it's about survival, and it's also about the historical things that happened with Captain Cook. You know, I mean, we want to make sure it's inclusive, and that's the most important part of music, because to me, music is the thing.
Jesus, I'm getting sick and tired of saying this, but our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to none other than...
Time now for your top tip for living your life a little bit better today. Talking about authorise stock. Now, if you like me, you like your cheats.
You fucking wanker, what are you doing?
Unless you're feeling special and
You stupid idiot. You dickhead.
Does it really taste so much better? Is it really so much better for you? Is it worth the hassle?
This guy in the four-wheel drive here, Rutty, R-U-T-T-Y, got up behind him, realised he's not moving, went right around both of us.
It wasn't about the moon, you know. Actually, I don't know if I want the other calls what you cried about. That's going to be really sad. I'm already feeling sad.
What did the moon do to you? Give us a call, 131060. It's taking calls, Nick. It's Carrie and Tommy.
She gets bombed.
Yeah, well, how many people use the bus lane? Fucking serious, mate. You do know where you're fucking going? Fuck, you're an idiot. No brake lights, huh?
In 800 meters, turn right onto
Red
Quarry
light.
Drive.
Lucky the bike didn't go. You would have been collected. Yep, flashed. I knew it straight away. What's going on here?
Don't try it. Don't try it. You fucking moron. That's not an overtaking lane. Just because it's a learner, you
set up and tested internally, or sorry, tested externally, in a non-production environment. So.
No way. Drivers always tell me to get fucked, and I hope you break your legs, your legs, your legs, your legs. I ride really slow in the middle of the lane, while drivers behind me are going insane. I'm a cyclist. It's a cyclist.
Fucking hell, mate. Jesus Christ. You're going on Scotty.
That's a bright red car, and everyone still wants to drive around.
Fucking hell, mate.
fucking hell.
Visto sale poi lapide, questi uomini in macchine non scalare le rapide. Scritto sopra una lapide, in casa mia non c'è Dio, ma se trovi il senso del tempo di salire da tubbio.
go shopping and buy my own. But I have a guy in town offering to give me some. Oh! Holy shit!
There's a lot of shit you have to put up with when you're driving, like red lights.
Fucking cockhead! Fucking hell! Keep going.
It's red!
Go!
What? Ow, my God!
I want to have his ass removed.
What the fuck are you doing?
Red light stop, green light go, yellow light go, very fast.
Manual recording on.
What have you done? What have you done? You put it in the hole. Good work. Old mates put it in the hole.
We're here to tell the limousine to pell the money they'll make like a idiot. I feel like, yo, black is
30-metre models, the auto hose comes with a 2-year warranty. So fix your hose problems forever. The first 20 callers to mention 2GB or 4BC will get the famous trigger nozzle with 6 spray options. They get free installation and the very best old-fashioned Aussie service. They stand out from the pack simply for that. Call 1300 384 165 or head to aussiehoses.com.au 1300 384 165.
Into the afterglow. I remember that night like it was the first time. Two of us caught in the undertow. Everything
the fuck are you doing? Fucking dickhead. Makes you so special, sunshine.
She has been abducted by aliens.
Oh, another one.
Oh, I should have told you had some exiles or something. Oh, dramatic here. A British woman claims she's been abducted by aliens 52 times. Really? Paula Smith is 50 years of
Good
age.
on you.
She claims to have been in a UFO. She says, I've experienced it.
Passionate about what they do.
Well, how good would it be on an Android?
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Jesus fucking Christ!
What's going on here?
No, she's sweet. Oh, Keithy seems to have done himself a mischief.
Stay back, fellas. Step back, keep out of the
You alright, Keithy?
Fucking hell.
I'm only happy when it rains.